printer plugged into your computer and it's just not showing up on your list of printers when you go to print your document. So like this here, it's not showing up there, or the computer is not recognizing it and it's showing up on your list of plugged-in devices as an unspecified device. Like here, my printer is the HP LaserJet 1080 and I have it plugged in via USB, but you see it's showing up on this list as an unspecified computer. I tried all the stuff I could read up on the internet and none of it worked. So I tried something else and maybe this might work for you. So I'm just going to run you through what I did. So what I'm going to have to do is go to right here on the Windows Start button and just tap the control panel. What you want to do is you want to open your control panel. And right here, you want to click on the options, devices and printers. So find devices and printers and click on that. And right here at the top, you see there's a list and your printer shows as unspecified. You guys just ignore that for now. Just click on the top. This option that says add new printer. Alright, so this pops up. You want to click the option at the bottom. This button that says Windows Update, and basically what it does is it's going to check and update your list of manufacturers and your list of drivers and certificates for the different manufacturers. So once you have clicked the Windows Update, this takes a while, so just have a bit of patience. Once the update is done, just look for the name of the manufacturer of your printer. So for me, it's going to be HP. So I click on HP, and then I look at HP here on the left, and I look to the right for the exact name of my printer, and mine is the HP LaserJet 1080. So then I select that, and then I click next. But before that, I'm going to go back one step. If your printer doesn't show up on the list, so for example, you have the, let's say for example your printer is the 1019, and here it's only 1018 and 1020, then just select 1020 and click next. Okay. And then it's going to ask you which drivers you want to use. Just click the driver that is currently installed. Click next. Alright, so right here, so if your printer is the 1019 not the 1020, you can just change the name here. So for example, I had selected 1020 in the previous list, but my printer is the 1018, so I'm just going to change this name. And then I'll click next. And then it's going to HP LaserJet 1080 ready. So yeah, that's exactly what I did. Maybe this works for you, maybe not. let me know if it works, let me know if it doesn't, and drop some comments if you found some other methods of dealing with this problem. Thanks, I appreciate it. Like, subscribe if you want. Don't, it's cool. Have fun. Bye.